Hello and welcome to EduBiz solution. So let's go to the process of registering as a mentor. So you need to scroll down and then use the feature Become an instructor, start teaching. You need to click on the tab and then you need to fill the basic information. You have to fill your first name, last name, your email ID, your mobile number. You have to enter a password and you have to enter your city and then click on register. As you click on register, you will get registered and then you will have to log in using the ID you have registered. So as I am already registered, so I have opened my account, my mentor dashboard. So this is how mentor dashboard looks. So you can see the menu. So this is how the menu is. We are going into my profile section first. So here you can see in the below you have to fill your basic information, but then in below there are bank details. You need to fill these very accurately so that we are able to transfer the amount which we are receiving on your behalf to your bank account. So now we are moving into another tab, that is my queries tab. So here you will get separate queries for your separate courses which you have uploaded, and you can see the queries and reply to the queries of the student over here if you get. So this is my schedule. Currently I have not set any schedule over here. So once these are set up and we can use this feature. So my referrals, I'll tell you about this in a brief and later on in this video. And now we are moving on to my course tab. So here you can see the courses which have already been uploaded by me, and the plus sign which is just aside my course will allow us to add a new course. So in already existing course you can see there are three options. The first one is to add a chapter, the second one is to modify course detail, and third one is to delete. And you can see below there is a get referral URL. When you will click, the URL will get automatically copied, and then you can send this URL to the students who want to buy your class. And when the student will buy the class using this URL, you are going to get additional benefit, and the commission portion of our side will be reduced. So now I'm going to tell you how to add a new course. So you have to click the plus sign, then you can see the table. You have to fill the basic information like which category would your course get to, what would be the price. So the price could be zero, that is the course could be for free. If you want to give free education, it could be ₹100 or it could even be ₹1000. So you have to fill the course name. For example, as I have chosen category randomly as an art, so I am naming it as art as fun. So mentor is myself only. The course filter, I have chosen it to be under skill rather than education or business. You have to give a brief description about the course so that student can read and understand whether they should buy the course or not. You have to upload an image. The image size should be 370 into 218. So you have to upload it. I will tell you later on in this video where you can find various images of the particular size, or you can refer me if you want some images. So now you see there is a video upload type. There you can upload a video directly from your PC, or you can choose the YouTube embedded code. So I am currently choosing a YouTube embedded code which will upload the video over here. And to upload the YouTube code, we can see first there would be an is equal to mark, then there would be some coding, and after that sometimes you might find there is and is equal to and some other letters or alphabets after that. So if there is and, you do not have to take that portion. You have to take the portion after is equal to and before and. That portion only is embedded code. So course duration you have to enter, for example the full course, if including all the videos is of 10 hours, you have to enter that. You have to select various options which are available here. It would be beneficial for you and students to know what are your video about. Is it a video, it's a beginner level, lifetime access. So you see, when I have added, the course has been added, it's showing its price. Now we'll see that course is blank, so we have to add a chapter to it. So when we click to add a chapter, we have to first give the title to the chapter. So we are giving title as chapter 1. We will save it. As soon as we save the chapter 1, you see we get a notification below and the content was empty, so we just get into the content and adding a new content. So in content also we will have to upload the video. So the content video would be the video which would be actually your first video, and you have to put that video. And the YouTube code which we entered into the course section was a sample or preview video. So like for this content lecture 1, we have added the first lecture and added the lecture 1 video to that portion. So not only lecture 1, I'll also show you how you can add more lectures to a particular chapter, and you can also add more chapters and then further add new lecture. So you see, we have kept the first lecture as free so that student will be able to preview this lecture even without paying the cost of that, so that they can preview it and review whether they would like to continue with the course by paying for it. So now we are putting second lecture and we'll make this available only for those who will pay for the course. So it is paid version. So you can see we have added 2 lectures to the course and 2 chapter 1 of the course. Now as I told you about YouTube coding, you can see these are the fields which we need to copy. After is equal to we have copied, and we have copied the full code for this video, as there is no and after that. After the ending there is no is equal to and type of stuff, so we have copied the full embedded code. You need to be careful while copying the embedded code, otherwise the site would not accept the code. So we are checking whether the course is properly showing up on the site. Yes, we can see that art is fun is now showing on the site and it has been uploaded. So this is our version only, mentors login only. We will be able to see all the videos of the course even if it's paid. So you can see the primary video is being shown in over here. This is the video which we uploaded on the course tab while we were filling the course details. So below there are chapters and you can see the preview videos for those chapters, and these are the videos which we entered while uploading the chapter details, lecture details. So these are the 2 videos which we uploaded on lecture tabs. So when you would be registering as a mentor and using a YouTube embedded code, you need to be sure about some things which I will tell you in later on in this video. Oh, hello. So you are now aware about the registration steps of our site, how you can register as a mentor. So once you are registered, you need to take care about few things. So basically, the terms and conditions of our site being associated with our site are uploaded on our site. You can read it from there, but the basic one being is about commission, which I should tell you. The commission which our site takes is 20%. For example, the class is of rupees 100, then we will deduct rupees 20 and then give you back rupees 80. And then you might have remembered, like I've told you about the referral codes. So the referral codes will be in your favor. So if you sell a class using that referral code, whenever you will click into the get referral code column, the referral code gets copied to your system, and then if you send the referral code to anyone, for example through WhatsApp, through Facebook, or through any medium, and someone purchases that course using that referral code, then the sites get notification that this class has been sold using that referral code. And if it gets a notification about the class being sold via referral code, then the commission which we will be charging would be less. That is, we will be charging only 10%. So you will be getting 90%. So this is how you can use referral code for your benefit. So apart from referral code, another important thing is discount. So we as a site preparer can provide students with discount. So for example, we can provide an introductory discount of say 10%, and then the commission which we will be charging would be on the amount after the discount. For example, if we have provided a discount of 10%, then on rupees 100 the amount which we will be getting is rupees 90, and then on rupees 90 we will be charging 10 or 20% commission, whichever is applicable, and we will be giving back you the balance amount. So another important thing which needs to be kept in mind is about copyright issues. While preparing your videos, you must ensure that you are not violating any law, and you must be aware about the law. And if you have broken any law, or if you have broken any trademark, copyright, patent issues, anything, then you would be liable by yourself, and site would not be liable for the loss, and you will be liable also for any loss that site has to bear because of that issue. Then another important thing, you must have seen the procedures I told about uploading a video using YouTube embedded code. So if the class is free, then you can use the code straight away and upload it on our site. People around the world can see the videos either on YouTube or on our website. You would have no issues because you are providing it for free. But if you are charging something for the course, then you must be aware that the video should not be available on YouTube, because if it's available on YouTube, then people can see it from there. So to overcome that issue, you need to upload it on YouTube, but you have to mark that video as unlisted video on your YouTube account. Then you have to use the embedded code on our website. Then people around the world can see that video on our website, but that video would not be available or would not be searchable on YouTube. So next thing is about payment policy. We will be following a monthly payment policy. It might be from 1st to 30th, or it might be from 15th to 15th. It would depend upon the cycle which will eventually get developed. But on a monthly cycle, we will be calculating all the payments we have received for your sold classes. We will deduct the commission accordingly if it's a referral class, or if it's a class where people have come to our website and have purchased. Then so after deducting our commission, the balance amount for all of the month will be giving it to you, to your bank account which you have mentioned in your profile, which you have created. So I hope things would now be a bit more clear to you, and I hope you will be happy to join me, my organization, and we will work as a team to impart knowledge. And the knowledge over here is not only for like educational purpose, for school education, for academics. It might be for anything. It might be for any course on Excel, on Tally, SAP, Photoshop, anything. It might be some editing course, it might be drawing, sketching. You can teach anything. You can teach business concepts. You can take anything, whether it be academics, business, or any skill related course. Hope we will get together and take a step in imparting the knowledge. Thanks and goodbye.